When stocks are received via Receive in the inventory page, the vendors/suppliers' invoices are automatically captured. When payments for these invoices are made, they must be recorded. Go to the inventory page to record a vendor payment. If the inventory menu is empty, click here to load them. Specify the period from where the invoices will be listed. In this example we select this year. If a vendor is selected here, only that vendor's invoices will be listed when vendor summary is clicked. If no vendor is selected here, all invoices within the period will be listed. Let's list all the invoices by clicking vendor summary. These are the invoices received in the selected period. Note that only inventory invoices are listed and managed here. Non-inventory invoices are managed via other invoices received in the admin page. The dates and invoice numbers, INV are as entered while recording received items via Receive in the inventory page. Invoices that have been fully paid are hidden. To show the fully paid invoices that are hidden, click this icon. These are the fully paid invoices. To edit or delete any payment, click on the payment box. Make the required changes and click Edit to save. To delete, click Delete. Cash voucher indicates that this payment was made via cash voucher in the collection page. This is done if the items in this invoice are purchased by cash. As the cash was already paid via cash voucher, we cannot mark this invoice as paid by cash again here. It will become double payment for the same invoice, so here we just tag the cash voucher to this invoice to mark this invoice as paid. For more information on stock purchases via cash vouchers, refer Purchasing Inventory Items with Clinic Cash. To record a payment, click Pay for the respective invoice. Specify the date of payment. Enter the amount paid here. Specify the mode of payment. Note that if cash was used, make sure this purchase is not already paid via cash vouchers. Refer Purchasing Inventory Items with Clinic Cash. Click Enter to save this payment. In this example, we have only paid RM45 for invoice of RM50. So the balance of RM5 is shown here. If you are making another payment for this invoice separately, record the subsequent payments by clicking Pay. Enter the details and save the payment by clicking Enter. The total of the paid amount will be shown here, and invoices that have been fully paid are hidden. Click this icon to show the fully paid invoices. Payment advice for the payment can be printed by clicking this print icon. If you are making payment for multiple invoices in single payment, click Multi-Pay. Specify the payment date. Select the invoices that are being paid. The amount here is automatically filled when the invoices are selected. Specify the mode of payment. And click Enter to save this payment. Click this icon to list the fully paid invoices. The invoices that we paid in multi-pay have payments recorded. If these payments details need editing or need to be deleted, click on the respective payment box. Make the necessary changes and click Edit to save. To delete, click Delete. Delete All will delete this payment and other invoices payments entered at the same time in multi-pay. This bulk icon indicates that this payment was entered via multi-pay. Clicking this bulk icon will list the batches of payments done via multi-pay. The multi-pay batches will be listed here. Clicking the specific invoice will bring to that invoice's payment box. Vendor's statement provides the invoices and the payments in table form. These are the inventory invoices by vendors and the payments recorded. That's it. You're done.